In the elevator, a group of large-built people pile in all at once. Then, on the 3rd floor, more overwhelming people get on. At that moment, a notice comes into view. But on the 4th floor, the man's face starts to tense up. Slowly, he pulls out his phone. The calculation shows the total weight exceeds 2,000 pounds. Even worse.
Oh, please. Excuse me.
Terrified, the man bolts out of the suffocating elevator and quickly moves to the adjacent elevator. Relieved, he steps in with a satisfied expression. That's when people start coughing. Panicking, he covers his mouth and nose with his clothes. When the coughing people get off, what he sees is